In this video, we'll go over the date and date difference, DAX functions, and Power BI. First, we're going to go over the date functions. So we're going to add a new measure. And we're going to call this new measure, we're going to call this new measure date, new date. And we're going to add in our date with the date function. So we're adding the year, the month, and the day. So we're going to use 2019, and we're going to just add the first day. And I need to take out that last comma. And so now we have a new date measure in our data set. So we're going to just test that out. We're going to add in a table, and we'll just add in one of our date columns, order date. And then we're going to add in our measure, new date. And you'll see we'll have the 1st of January 2019 as we added before. So one thing to note with date is that it will calculate the date regardless if you have something that's incorrect. So here we're just going to change this to January 1st, but we'll add 40 days. So there's not 40 days in January, but we'll just enter that in there. And see what we get. And so now we have the 2nd of February. So DAX is just going to calculate the days regardless of what you put in there if it's not correct, formally. So that's just one thing to remember when using the date function with DAX. So next we're going to move on to date difference. And so we're going to add another measure. And we'll call this measure date difference. And we're going to add a date difference function, and we're going to add in 2 dates. So we're going to add 2019. We're going to use this time December, but also we have to write it in proper date format. So we're going to do 2000 December 31st, and we're going to add it to the 20th. And next we need to pick our interval, and we're just going to pick day. And we added this to our data set, and we're going to add in date difference. So we see we get 11 days from December 31st to December 20th. And let's just change that to see if it updates. And we're going to change that to December 5th. And now we get 26 days as a date difference, or different in days. So you have option of hours and months and other things that you can add here, but the thing you need to remember is that you need to have 2 dates, and you can, if you switch the dates, it will be negative 26 instead of positive 26. And so that is it for date and date difference with DAX.